Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Tyler. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 apps that really pays in 2020. We have a lot of apps that claim paying, but not all of them do pay. But I'll be showing you guys 5 legit apps that really pay. We have one which is the Doge app. We have the second one which is the Microwork app, and we have the third one which is the Money app, and the fourth one Clickworker app, and the fifth one which is Bruce Break. So let's just hop right into the video. I'll show you guys how it works. Okay, number one we have the Doge app. Okay, we just type in Doge app, then we go. So these are the app looks like. Doge app. Okay, let's just visit their website. So this is a Doge app. Cashback automatically. It's not points, it's not coupon, just code and hard cash. That is it. As you can see this phone dashboard, you can see you got cashback. So that is how it works, cashback. And how does it work? You get cashback whenever you purchase something online from their platform. You get, let's look at what is popping out on the screen here. You got $5 cashback, $5 cashback, $5 cashback. So that is how it works. So you want to purchase anything online, you just download this app, install it, and you register right away, and you go to your where you want to purchase, and you purchase where you want to purchase, and you get your cash back right into your balance, so you can withdraw with your paper account. So that is how it works, getting cash from Doge app. So it's pretty easy and pretty legit, so you guys try it out. So we'll be going to the number 2, which is gonna be the Microwork app. So that's it. It's pretty easy and very legit, very legit. So this is it, Microwork app. What does this app just take pictures and earn money on a platform. So that is how it works. See, photo statistic, and you see 1.199 US dollars. Make money with your smartphone and either completing tasks on your smartphone. So that is how it works. And how do I start earning? How do you start earning? You download the app, you complete the first task, add your email address, and you withdraw your first $1. Now, how do you withdraw? You can withdraw with PayPal or Screen or Pioneer. From this, you need to have a Ether wallet. And how do you register this Ether wallet? You need to download what we call the Bitcoin app. So you download this Bitcoin app, you register, or either you could download Luno app. So when you download Luno app, you register. So when you register, then you get your Ether code, and you integrate it with this app, so you can withdraw your funds directly to your Ether account. So that's it. That is how it works. So just pretty easy. Download the app, take photos, submit your photos, then it gets verified by Microwork, and you get paid instantly. So that is how it works. Get paid in Ether. The way you pay, as soon as the tax has been approved, you get paid either in Ether, or you withdraw the moment you earn the moment you reach $1 in earnings and get paid right now. It's easy and simple as that. So now that's it. Unfortunately, you can't just get approved on all images you submit. So that's it. Have that in mind. Not all images you submit that will be approved. So it's just the ones you take in a better form that will be approved. So that's how it works with Microwork app. So we're going to the third one, we're in Money app. So Money app is pretty easy too. Just you just have to take some simple offers and earn money. So that is how it works. And let's see how it works. Money app is very simple to use. Getting some extra real money really is easy as 1, 2, and 3. And credit. That's it. Complete as many tasks as you can in Alt Offers tab. The tasks vary and can be watching videos, sharing, completing and surveys, and many more. So they just summarize it. You can either complete surveys or watch video ads, not ordinary video ads. Then you watch video ads to get paid, and you can easily cash out to your PayPal account. So it's as easy as that. Cash out to your PayPal account. And to download this, you can either download it on your iOS or your Android. So that is how it works. Get paid for watching video, taking survey, completing art offers. So the fourth one will be Clickworker. Clickworker. Okay. So it's more like Microwork. It's just like Microwork. So they have some similarities in condition. So as that were, okay, we have Microwork here, and we have Clickworker here, we have Money Hub, and we have Doge. So this is Clickworker. So how does Clickworker works? You get paid for answering questions basically. So you might be asked to upload your images from 2015 to 2019 and you get paid 27 euro for it. So if you do it the wrong way, you won't get paid, but if you do it the right way, you get paid after 15 days. So that is how it works on Clickworker. It's pretty easy. It also involves submitting of images just like Microwork, but Microwork you have to take the images live, but Clickworker you can upload images from years ago. So it just depends on the kind of offer you're taking right away. So use Clickworker accounts. It's easy. You could just download the app from your app store or your Play Store and install it, and get registered, and boom, continue taking your stats. So it's pretty easy. As you can see in the dashboard here, we have survey projects. You just have so many projects, so you can easily take projects from this app, Clickworker app. So you can just go right to your app store, your Play Store, and download it right away to start making money. So the fifth one, which is the last for the day, is Boost Break. Boost Break. Okay, here we have Boost Break. So how the Boost Break work? You read news and earn cash. Basically, that's how it works. You read news, you earn cash, and not that you earn cash directly, you earn points which will be redirected to your cash and which you'll be able to withdraw to your PayPal account. So that's how it works basically. You read news and earn free cash. I'm sure you guys have learned something. Don't go around letting people mess up your head. There are a lot of apps paying. There are a lot of apps, but not all of them is paying. So these few ones I've mentioned, they're really paying. You can try it out. Anyone that suits you, you can try it out. So I'm sure you guys have learned from this video. Can you give this video a turn up and like the video? Subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time.